PyCharm 2020.2 comes with compelling new features that include a new GitHub pull request dialog, a better way to view exceptions in your code, as well as a revamped refactoring experience. So, what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. In PyCharm 2020.2, you no longer have to right-click or open any dialog to start renaming a variable, class, method, or function. All you need to do to rename is change the name of the variable, hit Alt-Enter, and by pure magic, PyCharm will take care of the refactoring for you. But that's not all. If you want to quickly change the signature of a function or method, you can do that seamlessly. Just change the name of the parameter in question, hit Alt-Enter, and have PyCharm take care of the changes to your function or method body for you. PyCharm also allows you to carry out the same refactoring using the mouse by clicking on the refactor icon in the gutter and renaming your parameter. After PyCharm 2020.2, you will never need to break your flow because if you start using curly braces inside of a string, PyCharm will automatically detect that you want an F string and add it for you. In PyCharm 2020.2, when running tests under a debugger, PyCharm will not only take you to the point at which an assert statement failed, but will also show you the relevant exception message so that you can quickly gain an understanding of what went wrong. Here at JetBrains, we strongly believe that you can never have enough code completion. In 2020.2, you now have code completion for your Django settings.py constants, as well as providing you with a new logo, making sure you always know what is a Django-specific variable. One of the best parts of using Python is being able to play around with the console. However, this is a little more complicated when testing your request and response cycles. This is why in PyCharm 2020.2, we add support for Flask Shell, giving you code completion for app and request contexts, meaning that now you can play around with the Flask app in your console. The new Inspection Widget provides a detailed account of warnings, errors, as well as a myriad of issues in your current file. Clicking on the new widget will give you a list of problems that you have in your current file, and clicking on each of the problems will let you navigate to that particular problem. You can also navigate through all your errors in a file through the F2 key. In PyCharm 2020.2, we've added full support for GitHub pull requests. When you first set out to create a pull request, PyCharm will ask you what remote you want to create it in. Once you've selected a remote, all you need to do is give the pull request a title and you can go forward. You can add a description if you want to and hit OK. Now that we've created a pull request, we can go ahead and check it out in the new GitHub pull request viewer. Once again, PyCharm is going to ask us for the remote we want to explore. And now we can take a look at the pull request that we just created inside of PyCharm. PyCharm now has a new pull request tab that allows you to see the title of the pull request as well as the commits in that particular pull request. Furthermore, it also allows you to make comments on the pull request itself. In this case, we are just going to go ahead and merge this particular pull request. We're going to give it a comment. And there we go. That's it. Well, that's all, folks. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you do with this version of PyCharm.